श्रीमात्रे नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमलवयूं मतं साक्षमलवयीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवेतु गुरुवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरु श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमलवयूं मतं साक्षमलवयीं सहो स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवेतु गुरुवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं दरिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तवं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादरम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः ध्यायामि। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। Khadgamala. Let us follow some rule from now onwards. All of you coming to the satsang, think that you are coming to a temple and kindly wear the bindi without fail. And also it will be nice if you can tie your hair, because we are learning about mother and we have never seen mother without a bindi, right? The first thing I need to follow is at least the form. When I follow the form, probably the energy of the form can kindle that fire in me to go to the inner aspect, and I may develop that gunas also. So both men and women, check before you come to the satsang. Including the Facebook people, I'm not seeing them. Only Zoom people I'm seeing. Including the Facebook will see that mother is seeing you in the form of a chair before you, in the form of a fan above you, in the form of a cot by your side, whatever it may be. And you need to follow the Hindu Dharmic culture. Okay? Khadgamal. ह्रीङ्कारासनगर्भितानलशिखां सौः क्लीं कलां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणीं वरसुधादौतां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपासमङ्कुशधरां स्रग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम्। ॐ अस्य श्री शुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियादिष्टायी वरुणादित्यऋषिः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः सात्विकककारभट्टारकपीठस्थितमहाकामेश्वराङ्कनिलया महाकामेश्वरी श्रीललिता पराभट्टारिका देवता। ऐं बीजं क्लीं शक्तिः सौः कीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः क्लीं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः सौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः सौः नामिकाभ्यां नमः क्लीं कनिठिकाभ्यां नमः ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः ऐं हृदयाय नमः क्लीं सरसे स्वाहा सौः सिकाय वृष्ट सौः कवचाय हुं क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट्। ऐं अस्राय फट् भूः भुवः सुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः। ध्यानं तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमाद्वीपः सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति आरक्ताभां त्रिनेत्राम् अरुणमवसनां रत्नताटङ्करम्यां हस्ताम्बोजैसपाशाङ्कुशमदनधनुसायिकैर्विस्फुरन्तीम् आपीनोत्तुङ्गवक्षोरः कलतलुडत्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेत् अम्भोरुहस्ताम् अरुणिमवसनाम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणां लमित्यादिपञ्चपूजां मानसे कुर्यात् यथाशक्तिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत् ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं ॐ नमः त्रिपुरसुन्दरी हृदयदेवी शिरोदेवी शिखादेवी कवचदेवी नेत्रदेवी अस्त्रदेवी कामेश्वरी भगमालिनी नित्यक्लिन्ने बेरुण्डे वह्निवासिनी महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूती त्वरिते कुलसुन्दरी नित्ये नीलपताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे महानिध्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरी. Up to that we learnt recitation Mahavajreshwari, that we have learned yesterday. Mahavajreshwari has got some other inner meaning also. Vajra means hard. She'll also give you a strong body, a strong instrument to continue your upasana perfectly. You'll be able to get up early in the morning and you are happy with this much food and you're okay with half an hour to 1 hour sleep. Tiresomeness? Well, I never heard about that. That's what you say. So the body is like a vajram, strong. At the same time, she'll also work on atmastairyam, the inner strength. That is also important. The outer cover should be important. That is for continuation of our life. The inner strength is important to live in each and every moment that is got by the continuation of life. You understand? I have life. It should be strong inner also so that I can live in each and every moment that is given by mother through this instrument to me. That is called Mahavajreshwari. Next, Shivaduti. If all of you, if you are familiar with Chandi Path, 700 slokas, most of you are familiar, right? When Raktabija, 8th chapter, with all his mighty commanders, his way coming to fight with mother, then mother will have all the vibhutis, Brahmi, from Brahma, Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, you know that, all the Matruga Devatas. And after ready to fight, she sends Shiva as the Duta, messenger. That is the power of Shakti to the highest point in that place. She asked me, come here. Go and tell those Rakshasas they need to hand over the kingdom to the deities and go back to their place, Patala. That's where they have to stay. If everybody plays their role intact, Mother is always compassionate. We cross our boundaries. We occupy places, construct buildings where animals have to live. We imbalance the nature. Global warming. That's when Mother gets angry. And you know what all the forms of Mother in In Chandi part, different forms. In the Kali Yuga part, different forms are there. I don't want to mention the name, which is every day after getting up, you recite that name only today. Not a day goes without reciting that name. So that's another mother form here to correct us. I need to take it in the right sense. So Shiva goes and tells, Madam asked me to tell like this. Shiva doesn't have that strength because Maheshwari is there. So Shiva alone, the male personality is going. Of course, they don't listen to him. They'll come back. So that's a different game. So because she sent Shiva as her messenger, she's called Sivaduti. That's how the name has come. But that's a literal story, epic, and Puranas. What is Shivaduti? Everybody is an amsha, a part of Universal Mother, an atom of Universal Mother, if you can say. We are speaking on behalf of Mother. We are not speaking to Mother. We are speaking on behalf of Mother. That's why in some other religion, Messiah, the word we heard, Messiah, is there in our this thing also, which is not exactly the same. We are all messengers of God. And I need to lead a life which is a perfect messenger of God. Then people will understand, wow, if God is in life, then he'll be like Kadakaran Nayar. Wow, amazing. That's where these Bhagavatas are coming, Vagyekaras are coming, the Bhaktas are coming. So my job is to represent, to be a prototype of the Goddess Mother. And that's my Upasana. It says, Kameshwari Bhagamalini Nidyagne Berunde Vagnivasane Mahavadre Shri Shivaduti. It's a wonderful protection of Mother in different forms. We can say, Oh Kameshwari, protect me. Oh Mahavadreshwari, protect me. That's a different thing. She's telling, in as much as you are praying to me, I'm already protecting you in this form. You're not understanding that. All you have to do to understand and do your job. What is my job? Shiva Duti. I'm a Shiva. You are a Shiva. Everybody is a Shiva. It's not a male gender. Sirisha is Shiva. Arti is Shiva. Ajit is Shiva. Everything is Shiva. The one who sees is Shiva. So she sent all these Shivas as Dutis. What is the purpose? All the Jivas, particularly the human being, very rarely some 1 in million of other races like animal. There you see some animal speaking, a parrot speaking. Very rare. But human being, they're all Shivadutis, Shivas only. She sent us to just hail her name because it's Stotra Priya. In the Vyakta form, this is Avyakta form, it's all pervading Vyakta. It's all Vyakta. My problem is, I'm in the Vyakta form also, I'm limiting that to only a certain personality, forgetting that I am also a Vyakta form in as much as they are Vyakta form. What is the difference between me and them? So, normally, when you see a multi-millionaire or when you see a progressive CEO of a company, normally you say, how come he has gone? How he got, where is Sirisha? Oh, how he got first rank in IAS examination. What will you do? You take up competition success review magazines and then train yourself. In the same way, I need to read the books of the stories of life history of all the bhaktas and need to train myself. I'm just reading and not training. right? That's why I'm not able to go to the CEO position. So Sivaduti is, she gives a capacity, knowledge, intention, awareness, power of being a God's messenger. நடமாடும் தெய்வம். That what சந்திரசேகர சரஸ்வதி பெரியவர் அவர் சொல்லுவாங்க. நடமாடும் தெய்வம். யார் பகவான் நாமம் தான் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்களோ அவங்கெல்லாம் நடமாடும் தெய்வம். மீதி பசங்கள்லாம் நடமாடும் பிணம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. மன்னிக்குவோம். All those people who continuously recite the name of God are mobile temples. Rest of them are mobile corpses. Dead bodies. Body is moving. That's where I need to understand. The power which is giving me actual life is not the air. It comes when I go to the first Avarana, Matruka, there was Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi. How is Brahmi protecting me? Normally I used to say, okay, this is the position of Brahmi in the Sri Yantra, you worship her, your children will get education, you will get education too, how to handle this life, this all. But how? Hansakti Managre, Saksha Sutra Kamandalahu, Kausam Bhaksharike Devi. This is how she protects. I need to understand the Brahmi Tattvam. Not limit her to a form and keep on praying, expecting that to. How the flow can happen when I connect. I'm just keeping on praying. There's no actual connection. Loose connection is there. I want to make it strong. Then when I become Shivaduti, Tvarite. Next one is Tvarite. I couldn't understand my guru in the initial stages. She used to call me, Subbu, get me a paper. Pay. That's the letter. I need to get up at the time and move towards the desk. Otherwise, it's okay. I'll get it. Come on, Guruji. You didn't even complete. It's okay. I'll get it. Wow. Very difficult to be with you. I used to say, I tell myself. But now, after some time, I understood that is the speed. Because they are statically dynamic. They appear like static. And they're able to capture all the, there's a busyness is inside. The busyness is not outside for them. All other people, the busyness is outside. The burial ground like calmness or tamasic energy is inside. Busyness. They do astral travel. They observe every thought that is coming. They're observing the people. Sometimes they know what is going to happen. So much information will be coming. So they are completely dynamic. And you get the speed. Chaitanya Argasamarajya, Chaitanya Kusuma Priya. How many people, I just want you to answer my question. How many people immediately after getting up from bed can crack a joke and get down? Very rare. My Guruji used to do that. The next moment he's in the state, we'll get up like this. This is our stage. It's not Tvarite. Tvarite means fitting into the situation like a lightning. That's why next word is coming Kulasundari. Tatillata Samruchi Shatchakro Parisamtita. இந்த பெரியவர் வரப்போ அந்த பைலட் வரும். இந்த குலசுந்தரி வரப்போ துவரிதா வரா. இவதான் பைலட். When the chief minister is coming, the pilot will come. The chief minister is Kulasundari. The pilot is Tvarite. So, what will happen when you have this Kundalini arousal is you will have that dynamism in you. Nothing is new to you. You already knew it. That's why my Guruji is a nuclear physics scientist, doctorate. But he designed his own Devipuram temple, the dome structure, spherical dome, which is the first designer and construction successfully constructed. And after that, IIT people copied that. That's a different thing. Mechanical, electrical, public health, yoga, music, and with his great body and belly, dance also. Nothing is new to you. This is Tvarite. Tvarite is not just running like a Milka Singh or Olympic race runner. No. That physical running is not there. Tvarite is being able to fit into that situation in a split second. Because that is not new to me. I know everything. I'm not able to move with the people so immediately because I don't know them. That's what I think. Right? So, Tvarite, speed like lightning, thoughts like lightning speed. Even though the words are coming very slow, the meaning, the bhava of the word travels so fast, and you can see a fast transformation in the people who are in the vicinity of this person. Everything fast. Bhavanopanishad, in one split second, you can experience all the seasons. Grishma Dharaddavihi Saptasya Sanparidati Sabdastamida Kurta. All the Rutus he can enjoy anything. That is Turite. And then Kula Sundari. These are all Nitya Devatas. Anybody, once this Khadgamala is over, just give me some time. I'm going to definitely share the mantras. Many people are asking of Nitya Devatas. Even if it is a sin, I'll bear that effect. I can't reject your continuous request. పాపమైనా సరే నేను భరిస్తాను కానీ మంత్రాలు ఇవ్వకూడదు, నో షూ నో ఇట్ నో నాట్ బి రివీల్డ్. సమ్ పీపుల్ విల్ సే, బట్ స్టిల్ I promise I'm going to make it public. Those are not the mantras. There's other mantras are there with the Bijakshras, and I'll put a audio file also, so that every day Amaim Sakalahrim Nityaklinne Madadrave Sau Kameshwari Nitya Sri Padukam Pujayami Tarpayam Namah. After getting up from the bed, all you have to do is face north, just Kameshwari. That mantra I'm going to give it to you. So Kulasundari is then in the morning. I was talking every day morning. What is the benefit of staying in Peetham? Any Peetham, not only our Peetham, is you have the luxury of spending private moment with Guru. No one will have. Kalakaran knows. Shivakumar knows. Many people who came to our Peetham and stayed there for number of days. Of course, Shanil will come with his wife. That's a different game. So, but they know very well. And today, Ambal was speaking. Listen to me carefully. Kulasundari, how it happens. Normal people, even though the blood is all over the body and it flows, but the energy, the Shakti is totally focused on Mooladhara Swadhisthana and Manipur. If you throw a stone up, it will fall down because of power of gravitation. జడ పదార్థాలే కింద పడతాయి. Whereas the birds, the flies, they won't fall. So what is that binding? What is that giving me weight? Garima siddhe, it will come. But that garima is not for this attraction. Garima is being able to handle any type of situation. So all this Shakti is precipitated here, focusing on my business, my career, my family, myself. Sometimes my sadhana also. So when the mantra japam starts, the japa normally should have, the nadam should come from the nabhi, and it creates an agitation, and that's what called sarva sankshobhini. That means first thing you observe is an agitation in this. You have everything, but you think this is not working, something else. ఒక రకమైన అలజడి. It's not the mental disturbance due to the family problem. No. Perfect. Perfect wife, perfect husband, perfect children. Money is there. But still something. No, this is not. That ఇంటిలోని పోరు ఇంతింతగా దయా విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమా. This, I'm not able to bear this commotion in me. So, sarva sankshobhini, when the japam is increased, it creates a fire-like energy, and they say the fire is facing downwards. Normally the fire always facing upward. But in the soldering, if you see welding and soldering, the fire will go down. That's small thing. Like that, the heat will go down, and already agitated precipitation, it will turn into liquid. Sarva vidravini. And then earth, fire, water is there. After that, the fumes, all the precipitation will turn into gaseous vapors like thing, and then it go. It's not the actual precipitation I'm talking. The energy, it will go here. That's all. The whole thing will be equally distributed. That is when the real sadhana takes place from the navel, Manipura. There, you don't crave for power. You don't crave for publicity. And you know what you want in your life. That is Kulasundari. When the Kulasundari is moving, Bisatantu Taniyasi Tatillata Asamaruchi Shatchakro Varsamsta. When it started movement, it brings beauty to the Kula. Akula. Kula is another thing. Your own race, your own, what you call, generations. Tyagaraja, Annamaya, even now, there is people are, we just show respect. They are from that hierarchy. So, you should be a Kulasundara, Kulasekhara. That inner activation, and because of that, external transformation in your character also happens. Kulasundari. That's when the actual movement of Kundalini happens. Tvarite Kulasundari, then Nitye. You're not worried about the birth and death. Mortal. Immortal. That means, I'm not this body. I'm connected to Atman. And nothing, even though it's not permanent, but Ekevaham, one thing is permanent, that is Atma Swarupam. You try to viharati, you try to take vacation in that field where you experience permanency, absolute truth, blissful happiness. Permanency, absolute truth, blissful happiness. And that happens after the Kulasundari. That is Nitye. See, we haven't even entered Khargamala. You know that? We haven't even entered the Pradama Avaranam. Now you know how much powerful is Khargamala. When I say powerful, oh my God, I don't want to. If I repeat wrongly, then again she will punish me. That is the Maya she is giving. So, Nitye, after that, Neela Patake, the blue flag. You are holding a blue flag in your hand? No. Blue represents infinity. Sky is infinity. Ocean is infinity. The Manas. Unfortunately, I don't have an equivalent word in English for telling Manas. Anybody can guide me later. It's not mind. It's not consciousness. In between mind and consciousness. And the Manas is infinite. You don't know what is where it is going also. It is going some other way. You may be listening to me. But Sirisha may be thinking about the competitive examination. We don't know. Eyes are looking at me, ears are listening, but still. So the Neela Patake is victory over infinity. I can be victorious in my family. I can be victorious in my business. But the victory over the infinity, which is shortly represented by the Pancha Bhutas, Pradivyapastejo Vairakasat, which are byproducts of which are Shabda Sparsa Rupa Rasagandha Tanmatras, which are received by my Jnanendriyas and which are functioned by my Karmendriya, all these put together, they are controlled by my mind. The entire kingdom is called infinity in my state. And I am victorious in this infinity. Neela Pataka, victory over infinite. Vijaye, Visesha Jayam is not a small victory. Visesha Jayam. That means nothing can match. Every Jayam. Today, this is irrevocable, irreversible victory. Like once you cross the Manipura, Antaruta, Vishnu Grandhi Vibhedini, once you cross this, there is no coming back. There is no looking back. So, in the same way, Vijaye, Visesha Jaya, anything materialistic, spiritual, all the 64 kalas will be with you. You haven't even practiced them. 64 tantras knowledge will be with you. Ashtadasa Pivita Darshana Bhagyam will with you. Everything பார்த்த உடனே எங்கேயோ பார்த்தா மாதிரி இருக்கே, எங்கேயோ கேட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கே. Everything is known to you. That is the Vijaya, Visesha Jayam. Then comes Sarva Mangale. Sarva means always and everything. Mangale, auspicious. So, before my sadhana, I am asked, this is the great transformation. Before my sadhana, I am going to the temple, I am going to do a puja and say, Swastina Indro Vruddhasravaha. Swasti Vachanas I am saying. Punyaha Vachanam I am saying. Shubhamastu, Srirastu, Sarasta Sarmangalanastu. I am isolating and telling her, please give me auspicious things. This is what I was before. But when the Vijaya Neela Pataka has blessed, that energy has blessed me, then I am thinking, everything is auspicious. Sarva Mangala. Whatever I have in my life is auspicious. And wherever I go, that becomes an auspicious place. Like Shiva is in burial ground. For us, burial ground is inauspicious. But when you know that Shiva is Smashana Vashi, Kasi is Mahasmashanam. And many people will go there purposely when you are scared to go to a local smashanam. How are you going to a Mahasmashanam where you won't see a crow, where the lizard won't make any sound, where the people will not wash the front of their house and put rangoli or kolam? No auspicious things will be there if you go and find out. And that place is auspicious. Nothing more than that. Ganga, Harichandra Ghat. If you have gone there, how many people have gone to Harichandra Ghat and places? Same place, Manikarnika Ghat, you have to take a dip because that is auspicious. Death is also auspicious. This is Sarvamangala. Death is also auspicious. Birth is auspicious. You are free from the Sutaka and Maila. Nothing. So, Sarvamangale, Jwala Malini. You are having the protection of a deity called Jwala Malini, who has a garland of fire. Is she really wearing that? No. Jwala Malini. All these devatas which have been described before, they are the Jnana Swarupam, not simply Murti Swarupam. Jnana Swarupam. And I see them, I look at them. Lakshmi, not as a goddess mother who gives me rupaya or dollars. I look at Lakshmi as that Jnana Swarupam which gives me a capacity and understanding how to enjoy what I have. Jnana Swarupam. Saraswati is Jnana Swarupam. Lakshmi is Jnana Swarupam. Gauri is Jnana Swarupam. Shanishwara is Jnana Swarupam. Because then only you know who is a correct relative or correct friend. All the will be filtered. Only one or two will be hanging with you. They are the real people. Jnana Swarupam. Everything, nothing but Jnana Swarupam. That Jnana Swarupam is represented Jwala Malini. And another thing is, it's kind of a protection. You're in the fire circle. The same thing in Manidvipa Varnana and Navavarna Puja also we see that. Agni Valayam, you see that. And that is Jwalamal. Then come Chitre. Actual meaning kaleidoscope. Chitre means it's a multitude of experience. Normally, I'm able to experience only one experience at a time, right? Only few actors can show 2 or 3 experiences in the same face. In Tamil, Sivaji Ganeshan, Savitri, they are there. Telugu. That one moment, 2 expressions. That itself is great for us. But this person who has reached this stage, Chitre Mahanitye, 15th and 16th, the Kameshri, Bhagamalini, Nityaklini, Berunde, Vagnivasani, Mahavajreshri, Shivaduti, Turite, Kulusundari, Nitye, 10, Nirapatake, Vijaye, Sarvamangale, Jwala Malini, Chitre, Paurnami, Aramavasya, Mahanitye. These 2 days are very auspicious. Many people think Amavasya is inauspicious for Telugu, but Amavasya is auspicious for Tamil. How can God be different for both Telugu and Tamil? That itself shows it's a mind which makes all the difference. So for a sadhaka, both are auspicious only. That's why I say, Chitre, Paurnamikala. That is why multitude of arousals and experiences, tantric arousal. That means it's like a wave coming and going like this is sine curve, okay? Normal. But this person, very small, multitude of curves will be there. It looks almost like a straight line. Uddi Shamayi, Shashti Shamayi, it comes. It looks like a straight line. but a multitude of experiences you'll be having. Very difficult to explain because I never experienced, honestly speaking. So, multitude, I'm trying to put everything, surrendering to her. Ma, speak through my vocal cord. These people are eagerly waiting to hear you, not me. Kindly announce yourself, how it will be. So, it will be a multitude of experience in a split second. We are also having, but on a tamasic side, fear, grief, ascharya. What do you call ascharya in English? I forgot. Uh, surprise. Everything in one time. When you go back to your home, if the door is open and you see a thief inside, fear, sadness, surprise, all these coming, but in a tamasic way. But here, చిత్రే భూమిలో ఉన్న అన్ని రసాలు ఒక్కసారి కలిసిపోతాయి. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఇన్ ద వీల్ kaleidoscope, why they say is you have different colors, different emotions, different people, different places, different thoughts, everything different. Right now, I'm seeing only one at a time, different. But because Twarite has come, everything dynamic, and you rotate the wheel fast. One white purity. That one whiteness is having everything. That is Chitre. With one, what is that one experience which has all the experience is called Sarvanandamaya Jagra Swamini Ananda. Bliss. And that has everything merging into that. That is Chitre. Then you'll be one with Mahanidde. That is Amavasya. Amavasya is darkness. Finally, you are going to vacuum only. I'm searching for light and I've seen Jwala Malini, I've seen so many things. But finally, show is over. It's just Sunyam. That happening. Chitre happens in the Sahasrara. Mahanitya happens at maybe 2 inches above, they say, like a funnel like thing. The Lalita Sahasranam. And also one, I don't know, good news or shocking news to you. Amma has given permission to me, Uparwali Amma, to start Lalita Sahasranam after Khadgamala. So, I'm going to start the meaning of Lalita Sahasranam immediately after the Karmala. And of course, after the lockdown, I'll try to adjust the timing to 8 o'clock in the night to 9 o'clock in the night so that everybody going to work also can listen. But I need your feedback, how you want the timing to be set up. I can speak, but I need you to listen also. So that's going to happen from the beginning. Sindhurarana Vigraham Trinenam. From there, I'll tell. And also one thing, I'll tell in Telugu for half an hour and English for half an hour. Both are separate. I don't want to talk to Telugu to you. That will be separate. Okay? So that's for your information. Chidre Mahanidye. So 2 inches above, there'll be a funnel-like thing, sucking. This is where you came, Nishabdam. There is no sound. And there is absolute pitch darkness where all the light vanished. There's absolute bliss which is beyond expression, where all the emotions vanished. That is Sunyam? No, it is Purnam. For me, unable to explain, I may call it Sunyam. But the one who experiences, it's Purnam. Because it is Purnam only, I don't know what to call him, he or she or it. or they, that fellow need not speak. That's why it can't be expressed. That's what they say. So that is Mahanitye. See what a journey from Kameshwari to Mahanitye. So what I need to do to reach, or we will reach. She has to take us to Mahanitya. Otherwise, the story will not end. Maybe chapters are there. One Jarma is one chapter, or one Jarma is one page, one this birth, that birth. But the story has to end, no. The writer has to end the story. But the blessed are those who have got a short novel. Climax is reached. So, this end will come. Blessed are those who experience that at a younger age. And Kameshwari, the start is control, observation of my desire. That's the lesson we have learned from these 16 Nitya, 16 mothers who are telling us, observe your thought. Do not run behind your thought, or do not want to suppress or cling to your thought. Two things. Do not run behind the thought. You will be lost. As long as you are holding the mother's hand in the exhibition, in the fair, when you go to the fair exhibition, you're a small child. Mother says, don't leave my hand. But the stalls, they're very, 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 very attractive. You enjoy the stalls, but don't leave her little finger. If you go behind this desire, you'll be lost. Or you're holding, mother is dynamic. If you're stuck to a desire, wow, this railway pavilion is very good. This hand will go away. And then you'll cry, Mother, where are you? Where are you? Well, I asked you not to leave my hand. Hold the hand. Never leave it. So always think of this. This is my mother. This is my family. My family I won't leave, but my look will be at my mother. This is the balance. Balance on a rope. Anything excess may cause a disturbance to my stability. Right or not? So, lesson for today is observation of thought. Just leave it, let it happen. After that, you do your action as a pure action. That's where Parameshwara, Parameshwari. You are the Parameshwari, Parameshwara. Even though it is a Ardhanarishwara Tattvam they are describing, even for the Parameshwara, you are the Shakti. Nothing but you are. Without you, there is nothing. The supremacy of Shakti is shown. So to get that, I need to make this travel from Kameshwari to Bhagamali. Kameshwari to Mahanitye. And finally, the mother, Mahalakshmi, it comes in the 8th Matrika Devata with 18 hands, holding 18 ayudhas collected from different deities. Kubera, Yama, Agni, Vayu, Indra, Varuna. Everybody gave one ayudha. So this Ancha, combined effect of all the devatas, all the energies, she'll be there to protect you. To reach her. That is Mahalakshmi who created everything, not Lakshmi. Mahalakshmi. 18 hands. So to reach to that stage of understanding, I need to go through this Nitya Devi. So see you tomorrow, 6 p.m. because I'm going to start a new chapter. Mitre Shamai, Shashti Shamai, Uddhi Shamai, Charyanathamai. These are all, first three are Mitre Shamai, Shashti Shamai, Uddhi Shamai, Charya. These are all tattvas. They are Lupa, Mudramai, Agatsamai, Kaladhavarmai. These are all the upasakas who have worshipped Lalita Parameshwari and created a new trend of worshipping her. Kadi Vidya, Sadi Vidya, Hadi Vidya. These are all developed by them. Lopamudra is the only lady who has gone to Rigveda, whose normal letter to her husband has been taken as a Veda Suktam. You all know that. So that is a different chapter. So I want to put a break from that to this, Srimatra.